in here. One is the order is important. If I change the order, Shift X, you can see the changes is happening here also. This is not at all plus, that if you change the pipe, A is B, B is A, there is no problem. But here in stencils, you'll be having problem, right? So now, almost I also do mistakes, that how do I know that this is going to be here or this is going to be here? I don't know that. So then what should I do? Select it, press Shift X in order to see that which one should go where. Simple. So you should not know earlier, or you should not predict that yes, this is going to be here, this is going to be here, or something vice versa. Just you can put this here, without knowing, and if it is working fine, if it is not working, Shift X to reverse this input. Simple. So this one thing is extremely important. Another thing is, if you are using stencils is only working with alpha. If you don't have alpha, it is not going to work. Now you can see, if I take remove and remove, and only I'm removing the alpha here, you can see it is gone here from here. So that means is what? If you don't have alpha, or maybe if I put it right here, it is gone. So alpha is important in order to get the stencils work done. Okay, and the this X and this A and B operator pipe is going to be important in this situation. So this is how you can very easily fix this kind of holdout kind of thing inside Nuke by using this stencils method. And now you can see that how you are going to tackle the situation that C auto alpha is going to be saving this problem. Okay, so this is how you have done integration of this gold, and in the later class I'll show you that how you're going to use this this particles kind of thing. Now you can see this is animated, so now you can see the first one is this, and slowly it is turning into gold. Fantastic, right? All right, see you in the next lecture, and while I'll be explaining that how we're going to get these particle effects.